Hi everybody, I'm Amanda Finks. Today I'm showing you how to make my recipe for pumpkin baked oatmeal. This baked oatmeal is perfect for those crisp fall mornings. It's got mild pumpkin and cinnamon flavor. It's great served warm, fresh out of the oven, or you can even store it in the refrigerator and heat it up whenever you want it. Sometimes I even top mine with a drizzle of maple syrup. This recipe is loaded with oats, pumpkin puree, and applesauce to keep you feeling full for hours. It's a great fall breakfast to make for a crowd, or a make-ahead breakfast you can have all week. Let's get started. In a large bowl, add 1 cup of light brown sugar, 1 cup of pumpkin puree, half a cup of applesauce, and 2 large eggs. Whisk this together until it's well combined. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 1 cup of milk. Whisk this together. Now that we've got our wet ingredients mixed together, we're going to add our dry ingredients. And this is a 1 bowl recipe, so we're just going to add our dry ingredients on top of the wet ingredients. Add half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 3 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats. Stir this together until the oats are well coated in the liquid. Pour the oat mixture into a 7 by 11 inch baking dish that's been sprayed with cooking spray. Spread the oats out into an even layer. Bake in a 350-degree oven for 35 minutes. Let the baked oatmeal cool for at least 10 minutes before slicing into it. I love this pumpkin oatmeal when it's warm, fresh out of the oven, but I also like it as a make-ahead breakfast. Just wait until it's completely cool, wrap the individual pieces in plastic wrap, then store them in the refrigerator. These oatmeal bars make a great grab-and-go breakfast for the busy work week. Give this recipe a try, I'm sure you're going to love it. Be sure to follow me for more great recipes. Thanks for watching.